not think that it should be ASEAN's concern to be involved in these bilateral talks. I do not think that it is ASEAN's concern to be taking sides insofar as the dispute we have in China is concerned. As I said earlier, the reason why ASEAN was able to come up with a joint communique and a unified statement of the South China Sea issue was not for the purpose of taking sides, but more for the purpose of upholding the principles and values upon which ASEAN was founded, which is the respect for the rule of law, the respect for a rules-based system, the peaceful settlement of disputes, observance of restraint and sobriety in the region, and then also the concern about building or reclamation activities that violate the provisions of UNCLOS. So they have expressed that without necessarily taking sides on the issue between China and the Philippines. So this is my answer. I do not believe that ASEAN should really be involved or be concerned about the details of the bilateral negotiations that we will be discussing with China.